Ndagika nini mbere ya Peter Mokaya Tabichi gukinya kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta, ikundi cia gucanjamura ni ikwambiriirie kwihariria. Agikinya nyimbo na ukungwiri ciihura kiharo-ini giki. Peter Tabichi agitariria gikeno giake kumana na uhotani uyu.
I'm so happy, delighted to be the winner. This shows that our young people, given chance, if we invest in them, they are going to do great things.
Kiheo gia ciringi mirioni igana rimwe kiria ekuhuthira, akiuga ekuhuthira gucenjia to miturire ya arutwo aria athomithagia no nginyagia kuri aria makuhiriirie cukuru-ini uyu.
I'm going to look for a way of having access to clean water in our school. I'm going to promote kitchen gardening and growing of drought tolerant crops.
Guteithiriria arutwo kwĩĩtĩkia na kuhĩmbĩria mathomo ma science na mathabu ni mamwe ma maundu maria matumite Tabichi atamburwo namo na kĩo gĩkĩ commission ya kwandĩka arutani TSC irauga gĩtikwaga gutugwo.
Encourage more girls to take STEM subjects, and therefore that is going to enhance creativity and they are going to become more innovative, and from there they'll be able to really come up with solutions which will solve challenges which are facing Africa as a continent.
Koguo cukuru yake ni kurorwo wega in terms of staffing, ona yake no tukumu promote na tumuhe recognition na tuheane ritwa riake nigetha atuike honored ni president. Kigina
kiria Mwarimu Tabichi ekuheo gia ciringi mirioni igana rimwe egukiamukira na matena ma ciringi mirioni 10 o mwaka. Ni uhotani utumite cukuru wa Kiriko, Kenya na gitaru giothe kia Afrika kugie ngumo iria iratanywo kuhe arutani mayo wira-ini wao.
It will be a motivating factor na kuonania kuri arimu gutire mwana utangithomekeka, gutire cukuru nini na nene, ni kwirutira na Ngai mbere.
Gucoka gwake guku bururi-ini ari na thumbi wa uhotani, Mwarimu Tabichi arauga kuri we giki ni kiambiriria kieru gia gutwarithia na mbere wira uria akoretwo akiruta na oho gutigirira ni acenjia rucio rwa murutwo o wothe uria uriagaragera moko-ini make. Ngiribotera Inooro TV ndi kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta guku Nairobi, njitagwo Gathoni wa Njihia.